these are ingredients. Brown sugar, 1 egg yolk, salt, egg, chocolate chips, baking powder, melted and cooked butter, and all-purpose flour. Beat all these ingredients. First sugar, melted butter, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Beat these ingredients. Put the 1 egg and 1 egg yolk and mix it. Salt and baking powder or flour. First we will put half. And now beat. Add the remaining flour. At the end, we are adding the chocolate chip cookies. Mix it. Now this is ready for baking. So cookies are ready. Same taste. So yummy.